The goal is to give you the confidence and the knowledge so that when you do go present yourself to any client, you're telling them exactly how much it's gonna charge them, tell them exactly how SmartFilm works and everything behind it. I'm gonna give you the catalogs, I'm gonna give you the price sheets, I'm gonna give you all the PDFs on how to quote a project. Because the clients, you know what they love to do? Oh yeah, give me a quote for the entire house. This is where my years of experience of not letting a client go is like, okay, cool, you know what, let's start with one window. Once you love it, you see it, you like it, go for the rest of the windows. You get me? And he already knows the price, so whenever he calls you again, you know it's to do X amount of windows. You ain't selling, you're closing.
But my biggest goal is to be able to enter the field, but still do what I'm good at. This is it. It's doing commercial, residential, and doing smart film. And now I'm still in the industry, but I'm unique to the industry because what we do is hard to do. Not everybody's gonna do it.
This is my homework to you. Go out, do a little prospecting, right? Go to 2 or 3 window companies down there, tell them what you do, and get some feedback. You're gonna see that the problem that you're gonna have is like, hey, give me an estimate, give me a quote, and if you pull the trigger, you're like, okay, what do I do now? So, and this is the things that we teach you, and you get them from the beginning. So like when I work with construction companies, right? And I work with window companies, they already included in their bid.
Yeah.
And that's a perfect way because at the end of the day, these are the biggest projects. Look, right now I just finished a house in Palm Island, right? And the house had like, I don't know, like 200 windows. In square feet, you're gonna have more in sliding doors and swing doors than you're gonna have in fixed windows. But there's more fixed windows in a house, but they're smaller, if that makes sense, right? And at the end of the day, they ended up doing smart film and solar film on the entire house. Bro, that's literally been my biggest project to date. And it's actually in our iTints Academy. You can actually see the module of us working on that, right? It's a dealer module in the iTints Academy. So man, you gotta definitely check out the videos. It's gonna give you a better concept of the business. The beginner comes with a DIY kit so you can actually learn literally what we taught you in our training program and you apply it. That is included in your kit, right? You send me a measurement of your windows. It has to be at least 20 square feet, no more than that. And then with knowledge of, hey, how you pair it with solar film and smart film in these areas, you're going in there with the confidence to get them on the entire house and come out of there with 20 stacks. Order your authorized dealer demo kit. It gives you access to get on a one-to-one consultation call with me. We discuss business, we discuss logistics, we discuss execution, and most importantly, training. iTints Academy, it's a world's first and only full ecosystem designed to teach anyone how to properly install smart film. One thing is to install it, the other thing is to sell it. And then thirdly, how to create a business around it. Whether you are an installer, like a window tinter, a vinyl wrap installer, a technician of any kind, and you wanna learn the art of smart film, then iTints Technologies is perfect for you.